So what is magic? When I looked at the market, there was nothing really available to take you from zero to going to a more professional level. The idea of building an effect starts with a plot. You're going to take that base routine, add all the sleights, add the pattern, and now you're adding something even more. Creating a good story is an investment. It takes time to build into it that persona that you want to be. First and foremost, you want to make a list of everything that is unique about you. And I'll tell you why, because if it is just a card trick, then you are capping your own ceiling of the potential performance aspect of your card magic. Now, what is this course about? In this course, I'm going to teach you everything that I learned in card magic over my 20 plus years experience in learning card tricks, practicing card sleights, developing card routines, ultimately creating my own company and selling effects to the magic market, and performing all around the world over 120 cities. So all that knowledge I am putting into this course. This is your chance to start fresh.